Okay, I'm at Logans Fort in Stanford, Kentucky. This is the first starting of the fort, the blockhouse. And they've got the chimney there. I tried to go inside, but I can't get in. They've got this little pull string here. You can pull it up, but I can't get in. I don't know what this contraption is right here, but that's what's keeping me from getting in. It might not even have a hinge on it. I don't know. But they've cut it out all by hand. And get on around. Here is how it hangs out. And it's a whole lot taller than what I would have thought. They've done a real good job on the foundation there. And the logs, they've cut them out well. And I don't know what they got going on here, but got a hole dug out there. And there's another picture of it. I noticed over here that they've got, looks like the stockade. I guess that's what that ditch is for. They're gonna run. Yeah, because I think that was the entrance here to the fort, right there. And I guess this will be the stockade here. And here's the where they built these. One of those might be a door. I don't know. It's supposed to have a swinging door. They're supposed to put it back historically correct, so I guess they will do that. But and there's one over there. So I'd say, that surprises me that that door would be on the outside of the fort. But I guess that's where it's going to be. But I couldn't get in it, so I guess an Indian couldn't get in it. But anyway, this is the beginning of it. Let me go over here and see the type of cuts they made. There you go. And up here, wish I could get in that thing. Let's see if I could get I'm not up to no crawling today. But again, if I could get my camera, and I don't know if you can see anything in there or not. Probably nothing. But anyway, Fort Logan, Logans Fort, Stanford, Kentucky.